So we all have heard that Node.js is a single threaded, but what does it mean? Let's try to understand. So let's just assume कि जब सर्वर पे रिक्वेस्ट आती है तो it gets handled by libu library which is written in C++ and overslayer. Okay, so what happens is that this request does not directly get into this call stack. Instead ये wait करती है this call stack का empty होने का. After that this request will be get here. So if it's a first request, it will be get into the call stack, and what's going on behind the scene is that here's the interesting part. So there are considered some task IO operations, which means input output, meaning whatever the file reading or HTTP calls, networking calls, database connections, all of these things considered are asynchronous tasks. So whatever these asynchronous tasks are handled by the libu library, not the main thread. So as soon as this Node.js sees this line, it pushes them into the libu, and the libu will handle it behind the scene, and the job of this function is done. So it will get pushed from the like stack, like it will be pop out from the stack, and it is ready for the next request. So now what is happening to that task that we gave to the libu? Well, event loop will keep checking whatever the libu asynchronous task has finished, and it will push to the callback queue, and then event loop will pick them up and put them into the call stack. And because of this unique request response object attached to every request, it will node knows which client to send the response. All right. So this is how it's happening. Next time anyone asks you the question, what does single threaded means and how does a synchronous this node just handle this? Now you know the answer. And if you want to know more, I'm releasing the next video on Sunday 8 p.m. So keep watching. Thank you so much.